Right here we had another one. They brought the 90 out right here. They didn't take it out far enough, but this was grown over when the guys were trying to find it. You know, this is what it looks like. So when you just put a 4-inch grate in a 90, it doesn't do you any good. You need a turf restrictor plate. This is just going to grow right over that. So this downspout was ran under these pavers, and the pop-up was put right there. See how flat this is? That line always had water in it. It would freeze up in the winter. When they'd have a thaw, well, it wasn't ready. So what we did is we put a catch basin there where the 90 was. They had a 90 with a 4-inch grate. We found this in the grass, basically like this. We cut the circle out, then cut the grass out so that we can get our catch basin in. The guys went ahead, ran that line out to here. Plenty of drop. So too flat in here, falls real nice here. The discharge end, the pop-up emitter, you want the top of it, that lid, to be lower than 98% of the rest of the system. You have to take it out however far that is to get there. Otherwise, you'll have water left in your line.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.